Namaste students, welcome to our EVS class. In today's class, we are going to learn about changes in travel. In the previous class, we learned about changes in education. Before that, we learned changes in our lifestyles. Today, we will observe how the travel changed. Okay, so on the screen, we can see a beautiful car here. Traveling in the car is very comfortable and easy, right? So let's move on and learn more. We have already learnt about changes in lifestyle and education from the past to the present. Today, we will learn about changes in travel over time. Keyword invention means invention, something that has been made for the first time. Then now look at the pictures of a person walking and traveling in a bullock cart and a car. Look at this picture. Okay, a man is walking. Then a man is traveling in the bullock cart. Then there is a car. Okay. So what can we do about it? Now open your EVS notebook and draw this table. You can use 2 pages, right, for this. And now let's move on. Let us watch this video.
Was invented almost 5,500 The wheel was invented almost 5,500 years ago. In the beginning, it was used as a potter's wheel to make pots. Later, it was used in vehicles that were pulled by both humans and animals. Now, wheels are used in fast-moving cars and buses.
Okay. Which way of traveling is slowest? Which way of traveling is the slowest, fastest, oldest, and newest? People walking is the slowest and traveling by car is the fastest way of traveling. Okay, people walking is the slowest and traveling by car is the fastest. People walking is the oldest, bullock cart is the second oldest, and the car is the most recent way to travel. So in the table you cross check whether you have answered in this manner or not. Okay. Then how has transport changed over the years? The invention of the wheel has helped us travel over long distances with heavy loads and many people. Okay, the invention of the wheel was like a turning point. It brought a very big change. It helped us to travel over long distances with heavy loads and many people. Okay, after people invented the wheel, they started traveling long distances. They could carry heavy loads and even many people using the wheels. The car uses better wheels to help people travel over long distances even faster than before. Okay, traveling in the car, okay, these wheels are better and they help to travel faster. Now we can even fly in the sky in an aeroplane. What problems did people traveling in the past face? Okay, think about the problems which people had, okay, in the past. In the past, people had to spend a long time traveling from one place to another. Okay, it used to take many days to cover a distance, right? Carrying heavy loads might have been very hard. Now all of you open your worksheet, put today's date. This is 15.3 and question 1. Arrange the different ways of travel before and after in the invention of the wheel. Okay, so invention of the wheel in the middle, So first thing, on the first dot, first black dot, you write the spelling walking. Okay. Second dot is for invention of wheel, so leave it. So after invention of the wheel, what was the first type of travel? Okay, bullock cart. After invention of wheel, in the next dot, okay, third black dot, you can write the spelling of bullock cart, then car, and the last one is aeroplane. Now, second question, Sam needs to quickly reach his mother who lives in a different city. Should he walk, drive a car, or ride a horse carriage, and why? So Sam can drive a car to in order to reach his mother who lives in another city, okay, different city, because he can travel faster and with more comfort, right? Question 3, what problems would Sam have faced with the ways of travel he did not choose in question 2? If Sam had traveled by bullock cart or if he had walked, it would have taken longer time for him and the travel would have been very troublesome, very hard. Okay, walking long distances or using bullock carts or horse carriages will not be very easy, right? Let's move on
Okay.
and read the lesson from the content book and answer the questions in the content book. Okay, changes in travel, lesson 3. Long ago, early humans walked to travel from one place to another. After the invention of the wheel, people traveled by bullock cart and horse carriage, which could not move very fast. Today, most people use cars or buses to travel long distances. They have better wheels which can move fast. Okay? At present, we also travel by aeroplanes which can carry many people over long distances in a very short time. So now here, so the boy is saying, if the wheel has been invented, why do people still walk? So the girl is giving the reply, the answer, because to walk short distances, we do not need car or an aeroplane. Walking is also a good exercise. Now, did you know humans flew for the first time in air in hot air balloon? This balloon was invented in France in the year 1738. Words to learn. Invention. What is invention? Something that has been made for the first time. Carriage, a four-wheeled vehicle that is pulled by a horse. Now let us answer the practice question. Put today's date next to the words. Practice questions. Question 1. Write if true or false. A. Early humans walked to travel from one place to another. That is true. So in the blank you can write TRUE, true, because they walked from one place to another place. B. The bullock cart has been in use before the wheel was invented. No, that is false. So B1 is false. A is true, B is false. Second question, how is a wheel useful in bullock cart and in car? Okay, the wheel in a bullock cart helps in travel, and also the wheels in the car also help in traveling, right? So but the wheels in the car are better and help the car to move faster. Third question, how did the invention of the wheel change travel? The invention of wheel brought a very big change in the travel. Now after the invention of wheel, people could travel longer distances, carry heavy loads, and even many people could travel after the invention of wheel. So write it accordingly, read the lesson once again, underline new words, complete your work. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.